Alright, what's going on, y'all? Y'all know what it is. We're about to do another taste test. And this time it's gonna be one of your typical restaurants. We're at Hardee's. So I'm about to try the Hardee breakfast platter. And we're gonna see how the energy is in terms of this food. You know, is everybody in a good mood? Is they fixing the food with love? Or is they grumpy, got an attitude, and just fixing the food any old kind of way? We're not gonna worry about the bathrooms this morning because as far as cleanliness, because hey, it's early in the morning. You know, I'm pretty sure it should be still pretty clean because it haven't been a bunch of people come inside the restaurant as of right now to mess up anything. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, as y'all can see, we got a real good hearty breakfast right here. Now, I don't recommend anybody eating all this greasy food every day. You know, we mainly need to be eating more vegetables, fruits, and drinking more water than anything. Especially if you 400-500 pounds and your stomach hanging below your belt, you definitely need to back away from the grease, you know. But if you're a person like me who's always active, who's always working out, trying to take care of yourself, then every now and then you can treat yourself to this. Especially if you know you're gonna burn it off. All right, let me see. Let's see what we got here. All right, first thing and foremost, everything seems to be on point. I'm just pinching everything to get the taste going. Everything hot, biscuit soft. I think Hardee has one of the most unique breakfast menus, if not the best, because they got a little variety of everything. Biscuit soft, it ain't all hard. We got the gravy to go on the biscuit. Yeah, this gonna be a good morning, man. With that being said, now the bacon seems kind of damn rubbery. Yeah, I think it's been sitting up a while. It's kind of rubbery. It ain't got that crunch to it like a rubbery type feel. Other than that, everything else is all right. Well, it's time for Greedy Man to handle his business. I'ma holler at y'all.